2023 Land Rover Defender 130. Off-roading excellence for 8 passengers. In the realm of Land Rover's Defender lineup, distinguishing between trims can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. But fear not, for I'm here to shed light on this matter. The Defender 90 stands as the charming two-door variant, while the Defender 110 embodies the more conventional two-row configuration. Topping the hierarchy is the Defender 130, the grandest and most elongated member of this distinguished family. Notably, it's the sole Defender model that features standard third-row seating, a notable deviation as the 110 offers it as an option. However, this additional row brings with it an extended rear overhang, a key point to consider. Now, let's be clear, the Defender 130 maintains its appeal from many angles. It retains the unchanged front fascia found on the equally appealing 90 and 110 models. Furthermore, most of the familiar wheel and color options remain in place, and the iconic square insert on the rear window is a design element that continues to captivate. However, when viewed from the side profile, the Defender 130 reveals a certain ungainliness. The dramatic extension of the rear overhang starkly contrasts with the tight angles characterizing the front end. This extra length also affects the Defender's off-road capabilities, as the 130 model offers 24.5 degrees of departure angle compared to the 37.7 degrees boasted by the 110. It's essential to note, though, that this is still superior to the off-road metrics of many competitors like the Toyota Sequoia, TRD Pro or GMC Yukon AT4, albeit not on par with the stubby 90 or 110. However, there's a silver lining to this extended form. The Defender 130's third row is surprisingly roomy, with 39.0 inches of headroom and 13.7 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row, a 3.0 cubic foot improvement over the standard Defender 110. Passengers and luggage alike will find ample space to stretch out. Importantly, the additional length doesn't adversely impact the driving experience. The Defender 130 remains a comfortable and capable SUV, equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine producing 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. While a bit more power would be welcomed by some, the 2024 model offers an optional supercharged V8 with 518 horsepower and 461 pounds-ft for those with a thirst for more performance. Admittedly, the Land Rover Defender 130 comes with a substantial price tag. The base S model starts at $70,175, including the $1,475 destination fee, while the first edition, equipped with a host of premium features, commands a price of $92,725. However, for larger families seeking additional passenger space and cargo capacity, the Defender 130 stands as the ultimate choice. Despite its extended dimensions, it retains its exceptional off-roading prowess, making it a compelling option in the world of rugged, family-friendly SUVs.